So I thought I'd do a heads up on these pieces for you guys who are doing this repair, putting on these. Now, this is a later model. This is not a 1960. This side here is a 1960 and earlier. This car is a 1960, and this is what the early ones look like. So you can get a heads up on how to what you need to get. Now, the thing is, I just was over at Wolfsburg West, and they have these made by Autocraft, supposedly. I don't know. They say they're Autocraft, but I picked them up, and it's like they're made out of like 22, maybe 24 gauge steel. Super thin. It looked like they were, and the nuts didn't look like they were properly welded in place. These Klokkerholm ones here, Klokkerholm, the cheap brand, right? Danish metal, are made out of 18 gauge steel. So they feel about twice as heavy. So if you were thinking to go down to anywhere, now Wolfsburg West has the best quality parts, and these were actually made by Autocraft, right? So that's usually one of the best brands of parts. But when these things are made out of 22 gauge, I mean, the original ones, I'm looking at them right now, are pretty thin, okay? But I think they're a little thicker than 22 gauge steel. Maybe 20 gauge. The ones over there are like 22. So if you're ordering these things online, a real quick heads up, what I'm gonna do, you can actually, if you don't care about the look of them, you could actually put these ones on your early car, but it's not gonna look like the early bracket, which looks like this. So you guys, if you don't have any of them on there, you can look at this and kind of figure out. What I did is I took the other ones, the original ones, and I traced a line around them. So the original ones are shaped just like that. They go out, around, right here if you can see that line. And then they, at the very end, they cut up. So right now I'm deciding whether I'm going to, and these are like $22 and the other ones are $45. So made out of cheap steel, not even made right, and 45 bucks. You know, the markup on this stuff's amazing. I just can't believe it. So anyway, quick heads up for you guys doing these. Don't figure, and the thing is, Koch's has the same ones. They're just as thin, and they're quite a bit cheaper. So if you wanted to put the really super thin ones on, and you wanted to pay quite a bit less, you can check with Koch's. If you're around in Southern California, you might want to just go to Pomona Swap Meet and get those from him. But I just decided, since I'm at this point and I'd like to weld these in and I want them to be a little bit stronger, I'm just going to take the later ones and cut them up and make them look like the early car. Get them pretty close. They don't have to be perfect. It's not like something you look at all the time. So anyway, just a quick heads up for you guys doing the bumper support brackets on your early car. Talk to you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.